doing a taste test. And the lighting is so bright, you can see how pale I am.
And I'm making her sit on the floor.
Good thing my leg is better. Okay, so what should we try today? We got the stuff over here.
You'll like
here,
this.
You're
You're probably going to like this the best. So I'm going to just let that sit there till the end.
Whatevs. Whatever you want to try.
Give me what's going to kill me.
Are you afraid of that apple? Okay, I don't think this is very good, but at the same time, it's weird. It's almost Halloween, so we got jelly apples. How the hell do you open this shit?
With scissors.
That smells very coconutty.
I'm going to kill you.
Okay, you did the first bite. See, she doesn't like coconut very much. I don't like jelly very much. Try an actual bite, bitch.
God damn
it. Oh my god, look so weird. It's like, here, let me feed you, darling. Come on, don't be a coward. I won't drop it.
I can't with you.
Oh, nice to know it squirts. Shut up. That's disgusting.
Very.
Jelly, coconut, and apples don't go together.
No.
I don't even know what kind of jelly this is, but it's terrible.
Not at all.
That's right.
Now you know how I felt. Your soda's right there.
Thanks for random-upping that. Maybe my coworkers will find it amusing.
Hopefully.
They like a bunch of the stuff we hate.
Because they have no lives. Next.
The coconut wasn't even good. How do you fuck up coconut?
Because they're stupid.
I got a bite on my lip. Yep, I bit my lip.
Bitch.
Okay, I'm a bitch for biting my own lip.
Yes.
Which one?
Let's do the one that'll probably kill us both.
Ugh. That jelly apple makes me feel like I'm going to puke already. How about you?
I already barfed.
Good to know. Okay.
That was your idea.
Introduce it while I'd probably get up the excess there.
That was your idea. All right, so we went and got some food. And we happened to come across Debbie caramel apple oatmeal cream pies.
Ugh.
Yeah. Since we tried a bunch of caramel apple shit the other day, and we determined that Hershey's did better than Dove, I told Melissa, what the hell? Why not try these?
I don't know whether I have to barf or burp.
Maybe it's got to come out of your asshole.
Doesn't feel that way. It's working up.
I could give you V8 and I could make it come out the other end.
That is true. No more jelly apples.
They're individually wrapped like this. Got a strong apple scent.
And it looks like somebody sat on it. Smells like oatmeal too. I know it's oatmeal, caramel, apple bullshit. Oh my god, what the hell is that doing to me? Which one do you want? Ugh. I don't know how it is, but it kind of feels and tastes like a caramel apple smoothie.
I'm not for oatmeal, but you could definitely taste the apple. And the cream tastes like the caramel. And you could definitely taste like cinnamony shit to it too.
And there's the oatmeal. Oh man, my stomach's doing flips.
Would I eat this again?
Nah.
Probably not.
Is it bad?
Nah.
These are a sin against nature.
So are these.
But just less. Now, why didn't it look like the picture? That looks like an awesome picture. Ours looks like somebody sat on it.
Nothing ever looks like the picture. I thought you knew that. Next is pumpkin spice Little Debbie rolls.
With vomit.
October gave a party. The leaves by hundreds came. The chestnuts, oaks, and maples, and leaves of every name. The sunshine spread a carpet, and everything was grand. Miss Weather led the dancing. Professor Wynne the band. George Cooper, October's party.
What, did we get a little story with this? Okay, let's take those 3 kids and shoot them out of a cannon. Also, why the hell are they all white?
Racist?
They are!
What's on the back of that one?
A bunch of white dudes.
Gimme. This one says, apples have historical appeal. Ancient Romans were awed with the beauty of the humble apple.
Those are Romans?
Yes.
Those don't look like Romans.
When a fallen apple surprised Sir Isaac Newton, he developed the law of gravity. The bright red fruit made a perfect archery target for William Tell. His son was never in peril. Thanks to the apple, today you can enjoy a Little Debbie caramel apple oatmeal cream pie or a Little Debbie apple pie and savor the taste of this celebrated fruit.
I think it's supposed to be each of those people that it represents, but God, those are the worst pictures I've ever seen of them.
Let's see what we think of this one.
Well, at least that one looks like the picture. Nothing ever looks like the picture.
That smells really good.
It smells really fake.
Looks like a penis.
Well, here you go. I broke off the tip of your penis.
I hope your penis is okay.
No, I broke off some more of the tip. That's mediocre pumpkin.
I agree.
It looks good, but the icing is lackluster. The cream is lackluster, and the pumpkin is lackluster. I feel like I'm eating drywall.
But it's soft and moist.
Okay, drywall with milk.
I like the fact that it's moist.
Do you even like the word? Oh my God, there's so much sugar in the aftertaste. Bartender, get the sugar off.
It's moist.
And so many people are going to get mad because you keep saying the word moist. Because people hate the word moist. Moist, 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 moist.
I could say saturatedly moist.
It's really wet.
Oh my God.
We have wet puns, apparently.
And dick puns.
How about sugar puns? Because, oh my God, I think it feels like I brushed my teeth with sugar after this.
Do
Do you like this?
I did when I was a kid.
I don't remember liking these.
I did when I was a kid. I don't like it anymore. More stuff for
Coworkers.
coworkers.
Right side. At least they're only $2 each. Okay.
All right. Now I think. Here, throw that out.
Done puking? Or
I
are you
hope
going to
so.
use my bag?
We're gonna use your bag because there's a whole map bag. All right.
Great.
All right, so I picked up something that I thought Melissa would like. Melissa likes chocolate mousse.
I like chocolate, 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 chocolate. Oh, and avocados.
So these are mini chocolate mousse with real Belgian chocolate.
From the
delizza pastry. It sounds like
or
Italian.
delicious pastries, because they're usually pretty damn good.
It contains milk, soy, and eggs.
I have to hope it contains milk.
Two mini mousses equal 160 calories.
That ain't bad.
3 servings per container.
Not bad. I think there's scissors right there.
You didn't use them when I told you to use them.
Correct. You gonna break a claw?
No, because they're not due to get done again until the middle of October. Towards the end.
No.
I need to get my toes done again. I like them.
Okay. Maybe this will make up for the fact that I screwed up those brown bits. Oh my god, those are fucking huge. I thought they'd be like that big. No, they're not that big. They're fucking huge. Tiny little cheesecakes. Shut up. Yeah, they're about the size of my finger. Well, technically they'd be the size of my pinky. See? Either I have a really small pinky, these are pretty damn big.
They're $2.
Eat. Okay. Oh, you want me to go first, alright. Oh my god. They're so soft. The chocolatey bottom.
Because I had to let them, you know, fall.
Ooh. That's really rich. Yeah, you could eat two in a set. You could eat more than 2 in a sitting. Because if you did, you'd overdose on chocolate. That or you have PMS. The mousse has a texture kind of like a marshmallow. At least when it's thawed. And that is not really bad at all. That's good. It's a little too decadent. But the sugar's on point. And so is the flavor, the texture, the consistency. The only problem I have besides that would be it melts very quickly in your hand.
But
It's delicious.
compared to everything else we've had today,
10 out of 10.
5 stars.
0.
5 stars.
Out of what?
5 stars.
5 stars out of 5? And you don't even like that.
No, I don't.
You like those, huh?
Yeah, I do.
We're going to kill that thing, aren't we?
You're going to get 2 more, and I'm going to get 2 more.
I'm going to have a stomachache. Oh, wait, I already do.
But hopefully this, you know, benefits you. Now we're going to go watch Temptation Island UK style.
I think it's called Love Something or Others.
I don't know.
Who cares?
But we like watching bitches get stitches.
Stupid people are funny. But okay, let's catch you later. We're going to watch Superficial Shallow People. Bye!